Is building your credit castle with Capital One a smart move? Ever feel like your credit score is stuck in the dungeon? You're not alone. Building good credit can feel like a medieval quest, fraught with mystery and potential peril. But fear not, fellow adventurer. Today, we're cracking open the treasure chest of credit card companies and peering inside Capital One to see if it holds the golden key to unlocking your credit score's true potential. So, is Capital One a shining knight in credit armor, or a fire-breathing dragon best avoided? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through Capital One's credit card kingdom, exploring its offerings, fees, and the all-important question, is it the right fit for you? A land of rewards, from cashback to travel miles. Capital One offers a diverse selection of credit cards, each catering to a different adventurer's needs. For the budget-minded warriors, cards like the Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card offer a straightforward 1.5% cash back on every purchase, with no annual fees. This means every swipe of your card is a tiny victory, stockpiling valuable cash back that can be redeemed for, well, cash. But what if you crave a grander reward? Capital One ventures into travel territory with cards like the Venture Rewards card. Here, you can snag double miles on every purchase, racking up points that can be used to conquer distant lands. Imagine using your points to transform a mundane Tuesday night into a whirlwind Parisian escapade. Beyond the glamorous, considering fees and perks. Now, brave credit card explorers, let's address the financial dragons lurking in the shadows, fees. While some Capital One cards boast the allure of no annual fees, others, like the Venture Rewards card, come with a yearly price tag. Is the promise of travel rewards worth the cost? That depends entirely on your spending habits. If you're a frequent flyer, the points earned can easily outweigh the annual fee. But for the more grounded adventurer, a no-fee cashback card might be a more prudent choice. Capital One's approval process, friend or foe? Conquest isn't easy, and securing a Capital One credit card is no different. Their approval process can be a bit stricter compared to some competitors. This might seem daunting, but it can also be a good thing. A stricter approval process often translates to more responsible cardholders, which can benefit you in the long run. After all, who wants to be in a credit card kingdom riddled with debt-ridden dragons? Here's a crucial point to remember: even if you don't get approved for your dream Capital One card right away, don't despair. They offer cards specifically designed for those with fair or even limited credit history. By using these cards responsibly and building your credit score, you can eventually work your way up to the more premium offerings. Capital One, a worthy companion on your credit quest? So, the big question remains, is Capital One the right credit card company for you? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. Capital One offers a strong lineup of cards catering to various needs and spending habits. If you have good credit and crave travel rewards, their premium cards can be a fantastic choice. However, if you're a budget warrior or have a limited credit history, their no-frills cashback cards or credit-building options might be a better fit. Remember, the key to credit card conquest lies in self-awareness. Carefully consider your spending habits, financial goals, and creditworthiness before embarking on your Capital One adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, may your credit score forever rise towards the glorious sunshine.